Here I've got CUBOT J5 and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all the settings, then find and pick accounts. Here you should go to add account and then select Google. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and that it's working properly. So this is mine. And once you are connected, we can go back to the creation process. So click one more time on Add Account, click on Google, wait a couple of seconds. And now it's time to log in with your Google account. You can use either your phone number or email address, but you can also create a new account by tapping on Create Account if you don't have one. So let me log in with mine. And then tap on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so if you will be typing it, just make sure that you are typing it correctly by tapping on the eye icon. So let me enter my password off the screen. And as only the password is entered, click on Next. And here you can come along with Google Terms of Service and also Privacy Policy. It's enough if you will click on them. And then you've got the whole document, so you can come along with the terms and conditions, and if you agree with all of the above, click on I agree. And finally, pick the Google feature like backup to Google Drive. If you want to, you can obviously deactivate it, but I will use it because it's truly useful, and then click on Accept. And let me fix our connection. Here it is. So we've got the Google account here. If you would like to change it, simply click on, and remove it, simply click on Hard Reset, the current account, and then simply remove account by tapping on Remove Account. As you can see, removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the phone. But if you truly want to do it, click on Remove Account. And that's basically all. This is how you can easily and smoothly add and remove Google account in your CUBOT J5. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.